Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
An occasional misfire in an engine is not uncommon and is often not a major concern if it happens rarely. However, consistent or frequent misfires indicate a deeper issue that needs attention. Causes could range from spark plug issues to fuel system problems. It's important to diagnose and address these issues promptly to prevent further damage to the engine. If you're experiencing occasional misfires, monitor the frequency and consider a professional inspection to ensure your vehicle's health and safety.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.